Good morning, the sun's in the sky. Open your eyes and give it a try. Brush your teeth and wash your face. Get ready to smile and start the race.
Good morning, Mommy. Good morning, Dad. Good morning, Kitty. Aren't you glad?
The birds are chirping, the world is new. It's a beautiful day for me and you. Good morning, friends at school today. Let's say hello in a happy way. Wave your hands and clap to the beat. Greeting others is super sweet. It's afternoon now, the sun is high. The clouds are dancing in the sky. Time to play or learn some more. Say good afternoon with a friendly roar.
Good afternoon, teacher. Good afternoon, class.
Let's sit down and learn so fast. Colors, letters, 1, 2, 3. Learning is fun as fun can be. Snack time's here with yummy delight. Apples and crackers, take a bite. Say good afternoon to those around. With every word, joy can be found. The sun is setting, the sky turns gold. It's time for evening, cozy and bold. Good evening, stars, I say with cheer. Another lovely time of year.
Good evening, Daddy. Good evening, Mom.
Dinner smells tasty, here I come. We sit together, talk and eat. Evening greetings feel so sweet. Good evening, friends, let's wind down slow. The moon is rising with a gentle glow. Reading books in bed so snug, with goodnight kisses and a big warm hug. Say your greetings with a smile. Good manners go a long, long mile. Morning, noon, or evening time, greetings make the world feel fine. Good morning, sunshine on my face. Let's start the day at a happy pace. Stretch and yawn, now off we go to greet the day with a sunny glow. Good afternoon with games to play. Jump and run and laugh all day. Greet your buddies, don't be shy. Say hello as they pass by.
Good evening, stars begin to gleam.
Let's talk about our favorite dreams. Say good evening, soft and low, while fireflies dance and breezes blow. Morning, afternoon, evening too. 3 sweet greetings just for you. Practice them and sing along. Let's all learn with this happy song. So wave your hand and say it right. Good morning, afternoon, and night. Learning greetings is so cool. Let's use them daily at home.